So what's up guys, may dala tayong isaw. So samahan niyo akong kumain. Let's go. Grabe ang lakas ko. Yeah. So ito lang dala kong isaw guys. So buksan natin. Masarap to guys. Hindi lang isaw yung binili ko mga pre. Marami din ito. Fried chicken yan at saka lumpia. Yan, konti na lang. Marami kanina yung lumpia kaso pinain ko na, kaya dalawa yung natira. Yan, buksan natin yung isaw guys. Yan, masarap to guys, crunchy crunchy. Tara, kainin natin. Yan o, isaw yan guys, pritong isaw. Sarap guys, grabing sarap nito. Tingnan nyo, isaw yan, isaw. Yan. Sarap, yummy. Akala ko minaagaw ng pagkain ko. So ito pang isa guys. Isaw yan guys. Oh. Sarap yan guys. Ayan. Grabing sarap. Yummy. Crunchy to guys, crunchy. Ito pang isa guys. Ayan. Yan. Isaw yan.
Yummy.
Sarap. Yummy. Ito pa guys oh. Yan, isaw. Kitang-kita nyo isaw yan. Sarap. Grabe, sarap nito pre. Ayos. Ito pa yung turon guys. Turon yan. Ayan. Masarap nito guys. Ayan. Ayos, thank you. At ito naman yung isa, fried chicken. Binili ko rin to guys, 35 yung isa. Ayan, tikman natin kung masarap. Ayan, kita nyo guys. Ayan, fried chicken yan. Ayan, tatikman natin. Grabe, ayos guys, ang sarap guys. Sarap, promise. Yummy. Ayos guys. So hindi ko po ito mauubos guys, so ulamin ko ito mamaya. Kaya yun, patikim na isa ulit. Medyo masarap eh itong isa. Yan, ito sarap to guys. Sarap to guys. Grabe sarap. Yummy. So yun na muna for this video guys. Thank you. Love you all.